Man, hey, listen, man, I hope you have arrived in 2021 healthy, happy, and financially well equipped, For all those who are still looking for financial independence, we have interesting and lucrative companies to analyze this year. The protagonist of our first video in the new year, FORESIGHT Autonomous Holdings, was pointed out to us by a subscriber. Nairo Langi music update. Yes, man, so thank you. But actually, I only wanted to write a few private words about it. But after a closer look at the company, we realized that has an enormous earning potential in the long term. So we decided to make a video of this topic. Hey, if this topic interests you, then stay tuned. After the risk disclaimer, we continue. FORESIGHT Autonomous Holdings was founded in 2015 and is based in Nes, Zion, Israel. The company has been tradable on the Nasdaq since June 2017. Above me, you can see the stock exchange trading code. Put simply, the company designs, develops, and sells software for vehicles and mobile machinery. The holding company consists of subsidiaries, Real Vision and FORESIGHT Automotive, as well as iNet Mobile. Yes, man. So, what are the strengths of the companies? Well, FORESIGHT's main focus is on the development of innovative sensor systems for semi-autonomous and autonomous cars in private and public transport, a so-called in-line of sight vision system and beyond line of sight cellular-based application. You see, in this playground, the company is the global leader, man. Promising products. You see, promising products are the quad sight system and the iNet projects. The quad sight system is an in-quad camera multispectral vision system for autonomous and semi-autonomous cars. The quad sight system can interact with other vehicle infrastructure, the home, and other networks as a vehicle to everything. That's a V2X. And the iNet project is a software-based cellular V2X solution. It basically warns road users in real time of an impending collision in road traffic using big data and AI technology. iNet relies on the existing mobile infrastructure and the smartphones application. You see, these innovations, can be used in numerous very different industries. And in addition to numerous awards for individual projects, FORESIGHT also holds 6 patents. The developed platform can be important building blocks in the Internet of Everything, that is the IoA. As an example, let's just mention the so-called smart city, a visionary urban environment in which everything communicates independently with everything else in order to make life easier, safer, and of a higher quality for the inhabitants. By the way, a COVID-19 symptom detection mass screening solution has also been patented, and this underlines the flexible and innovative way of thinking of the company. It's also worth mentioning the strategic partnership with One Guide Infrared. You see, One Guide is a Chinese company known for the development of infrared sensors. This partnership serves the giant marketing of iNet, and this opens up the entire Asian market for the small company FORESIGHT. So, what are the weak points of the company? As the low market capitalization of $282 million suggests, FORESIGHT Autonomous is still in its infancy. Despite all the good technological solution, there is no real bestseller yet. In short, a lot of money is being burnt without generating any major revenue. FORESIGHT had a brilliant rally in December, 400% price gain within 1 month. You don't see that every day. This was triggered by a high risk speculation by individual players. No, speculation in the stock market is certainly nothing unusual, but none of the news that triggered this speculation had anything directly to do with Foresight. The Foresight share mainly benefited from Apple's announcement that it intends to produce autonomous vehicles. It is therefore to be feared that in the absence of further, above all well-founded news, the price increase will not be sustainable. A corresponding large correction would not be surprising, man. So, let's summarize. First, the market for autonomous driving is booming, and this process will accelerate with each new year. FORESIGHT Autonomous, with its unique solutions, will directly benefit from this boom as a supplier. Secondly, there are promising partnerships for the prototypes developed by the company. For example, in the case of the QuadSight project, a partnership with the Israeli defense company, Elbet, if rumors are to be believed, there's a partnership for the INET project with an unspecified Chinese EV company. If this is true and becomes official, this share price will explode, man. And thirdly, even if the fulminant rise in the share price in December was not sustainable, at least it has had one effect, namely that the attention of numerous investors has been drawn to this promising startup. And a very last word, the company is a highly speculative share for short-term investors. With every new piece of news, it can go up or down by 100%, several 100%. If you like the risk, you can make extreme gains or losses in the next 6 months. For long-term investors, however, Foresight could turn out to be a real treat from which one can profit at low risk. So, we trade the share as follows. We invest 10% of our total position size in the current market. We invest another 10% in the correction. After the conclusion of the correction, we invest 30% of the total position in the emerging upward trend. We will buy the remaining position piece by piece in corrections over the next 1 to 2 years. Well, so much for Foresight Autonomous. Have fun and good luck with your investment, man. Hey, listen, man. If this video has brought you any intellectual added value, please leave a comment. We're also happy to answer any criticisms or suggestions. Subscribe to our channel and benefit from our knowledge and experience and the way to your financial independence. Yeah, man.